Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Ray Ramsey. I am the developer and creator of Souljucate LLC and the School of Spiritual Alchemy. Today, we are going to talk about meditation. Why meditate and how do I learn how to meditate? If this is something that sounds interesting to you, then stick around. Welcome. So it feels so good to be back. I was literally sick for an entire month. I still have a little bit of blockage. I'm sure there's a lot of other people that are in the same boat. So I hope everybody's taking their vitamins, keeping their immune system up, and keeping their hands clean so we don't spread our contagions if we happen to catch something. So first things first, why meditate? I get a lot of questions. I am an avid meditator, and meditation changed my life. My spiritual connection developed even more as I learned different types of meditation. I practice very high frequency meditations now, and it's amazing. But today I just want to speak to those of you that are new to meditation and have the question like, how do I do it? What's a tactic that I can use to learn how to meditate? Right. So here are some quick facts on why we should meditate. To experience calm and inner peace. When we meditate, we allow our mind to align with our body, and we allow our body to align with our soul. And when we do that, they can all communicate together, and you get divine downloads, you get intuitive insights. The possibilities are endless when you can connect all three of those things. The next reason is to lower stress. Meditation has been proved to lower the amounts of cortisol. When we lower the stress hormone, many other great things happen externally. It rejuvenates your body. You get skin improvement, heart improvement, digestive improvement. Your hair grows thicker, your nails grow long. Meditation can reduce the amount of pain you experience and the amount of painkillers you have to take. It has actually been proven that it thickens the part of the brain that regulates pain. So win-win, right? Along with the pain regulations, it also just boosts your brain productivity all over. It boosts your memory capability. It boosts your cognitive ability. Helps you focus better. You retain information better. You're able to communicate better. Increase production of gray matter. You're actually able to reduce the amount of age-related deterioration. Your sleep improves. You boost your energy, you improve attention and focus, and you just perform tasks better. Something fun that I learned was that when we take a full-on breath in and we exhale, we're actually blowing acid out of our mouth. We're blowing acidity out of our body. And high levels of acidity, of course, we all know lead to inflammation, disease, cancers, all sorts of things that we do not want in our lives at all. All right, so now that we've kind of run down a little list of fun facts of why you should meditate, let's hop right into showing you a quick way to get into that meditative state. Meditation is so simple. I think people put too much thought into meditation. There's not some crazy mind game you have to play with yourself to get you in a meditative state. Very simple. So what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to find a quiet place. I like to have the lights dimmed, and I like to be sitting straight up, whether it's sitting in my bed with my back against the headboard and sitting out. I have a meditation pillow that I love to use. Those things are amazing if you get one. The beads in it are really strong, so it kind of keeps your butt boosted off the ground. You cross your legs. You don't have to worry about them falling asleep. The meditation pillows are amazing. All right, so just sit straight up and down. And the main thing you're going to do when you start learning how to meditate is to focus on your breath. You've probably heard this a million times, but again, someone can say focus on your breath. Well, you know what? How do you do that? All right. So the way I would love to explain this to you is that when we breathe, we're going to focus on our belly. When we breathe in, we're going to push our belly out. When we release our breath, we're going to push our belly in. So just try and do that. Take a deep breath in, belly out. Breathe into your belly. Out, bring your belly in. Can you feel that? Let's do it again. In, breath, out, belly. Out, breath, in, belly. Just keep doing that for a couple more seconds. You can press pause on the video and come back. So while you're doing this, you're going to notice that there's thoughts going through your head. Even if they're just thoughts of this moment right now. Am I doing it right? I bet I look stupid. Why am I doing this? It is natural for our mind to have all these thoughts running through. I want you to observe the thoughts. That's what this meditation is. We are observing our thoughts. As you have a thought arise, I want you to just calmly acknowledge it and let it pass and return back to your breath. In, breath, out, belly. Okay? So I want you guys to aim for 5 minutes a day. Even if it's when you first wake up in the morning and you sit up in your bed, just give yourself 5 minutes of this breathing meditation. If you only have 2 minutes, then do 2 minutes. When you take a bathroom break, that takes 2 minutes. You're normally sitting there for a couple minutes, ladies, right? You can do it. You can just do the breathing, observe your thoughts, and calmly let them go and come back to your breathing. In the end, our goal is to not have any of those crazy, mentally chaotic thoughts that keep popping in our head, because as it goes, the old saying, what you resist will persist. If you resist thoughts, they're going to keep attacking you. They don't go away. They always come back. You cannot pretend to forget about things that have really traumatized you or have been buried inside you. So get the breathing exercises down. Observe your thoughts. Calmly let them go. Practice makes perfect. And honestly, you're perfecting this to your own standard. The goal is to be able to self-soothe and get yourself into that calm state so you don't have to have all the stress and mental anguish, and it's self-torture. So I wish you guys the best of luck, and I hope this helps out a little bit. Leave some comments if you would like any more tips. I would like to present more tips later on in my school programs as we progress on our journey of self-love, inner work, and spiritual healing. I love you all. Bye.